Hi guys, welcome to another episode. We've just fast forwarded in time from our European cycle tour to come to the Motorhome and Caravan show in
Hamilton,
New Zealand. So we're going to take a look around and then we'll go back to our cycle tour in Europe. So come along.
a bit of change.
By the way, we can't afford to buy anything here. This is our van. We got a DIY one. But if you want to see the inside of it, Mike decked it out quite nicely. I'll put a link down below to our video. We made it. It wasn't too bad a queue. It was a long queue, but it wasn't too much of a wait. Like I said, they're a bit out of our price range.
Only motorhomes and caravans you can buy here. You can also buy bikes.
We're just looking for ideas. Quite like the idea of these rooftop tents. No toilet, Mike. Wasn't sure the sunglasses tent would do too well this weekend, but people are there buying them. This is actually our favourite place, the accessories Marquee. Pretty good.
So what is it?
So this is how it starts. It's got the crystals in there. I've sewn them all. And when you soak that in water, it pumps up, turns to a gel, and that'll keep cool around your neck 6 to 8 hours all day, basically.
Nice. This will be great. This will be great for our upcoming American trip when we're house sitting in Texas. How much are they?
They are $20 each or 3 for $50.
Okay.
And they last for years.
Yep.
So you can just, as they dehydrate, they'll go flatter, and then you just pop back in water.
Yeah.
Up it goes again.
So you can travel with them like this?
Absolutely.
And then just,
And I send them all over the world, so there's no problem.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll take 2, thanks.
They are not hot.
Oh, just at the portable solar charger stand. These are really good items to have. We've got a couple of them.
Great for when you're cycle touring
Sun table.
or hiking. You can come and have snacks. You can have drinks. You probably get drunk, the amount of free tastings going along around here.
After you had your eats and your drinks and you want a nap, come over here.
This is like the perfect place. So these are kind of more our style, these little VW ones. We actually got sucked in by these last time we were here. We really wanted to buy one. We almost sold a house to buy one, but then we decided we'd just get Justin.
So I like this idea because this will close down. That'll fold it over. So I don't want to drop the plug out again.
And then this just pushes down because it's collapsible.
And then that'll go down and then slide back in.
That's pretty cool. Another one of our favourite places, Retro Lane.
Gravel road, I've been asked to slow down. Fireplace, do you know how? Piles of paper, my desk is out. Who will care for the world out? Rest with some herbal tea. Reach out for me. Take my hand and lead even when I disagree.
My goodness
And
me.
if you come along to the Motorhome and Caravan show and you're feeling a bit hungry, they've got a whole lot of food trucks. We probably won't have anything because we've got egg sandwiches. So we've given in and we've gone for the mussel fritter.
It's a mussel fritter. It's got mussels. Look. Nice.
Are you gonna get your?
It's good.
Tiny home. That's it for another episode. Hope you enjoyed it. Now we're back off to our European cycle tour, so
Oh, back on our bikes again.
yes. So until next time,
Stay safe
have fun.
and be happy.